Hello traders, the title of the video is how to become a sharper, a technical trader. Are you itching to become a sharper, a technical trader? A trader with a specific, cutting edge, alright? So in this tutorial, we want to discuss, few things that you need to work on, things that you need to add, trading tool that you need to add, things that you need to pay attention to that will help you to become a sharper, technical trader. Alright, it's very, very important. So you become a technical trader, you will not be a perfect technical trader in one day. With the experience, the challenge that you go through, the ups and downs. And one day you reach a point when you become a little bit sharper, but you become a sharper, sharper, and sharper every day. All right. So let's get started. Recently, my friend, I recorded a video that I titled "How to Use RSI Technical Oscillator to Pinpoint Ready-Made Breakout Trading Signal." That video, I have posted it at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. Alright, so if you are not a subscriber to Day Pro Traders channel, subscribe to that channel and watch that video that I titled "How to Use RSI Technical Oscillator to Pinpoint Ready-Made Breakout Trading Signal." So you may say, Joe, what does that video has got to do with becoming a sharper technical trader? That's a very good question, my friend. If you look carefully here, in that tutorial, I was telling traders that if a financial instrument is at a cycle point, so if you don't know what is a cycle point, just YouTube search videos as a cycle point trading strategies, and you will see video either from Day Pro Traders or 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel explaining to you what is a cycle point. So when a financial instrument performs 180-degree turn, either up or down, see here, turn around 180-degree turn, go back to the starting point. This point here is a cycle point. So in that video that I was talking about earlier, I was telling you that when the price is at a cycle point, as it was here, let's put a bit of color into it to please your eyes. All right. And the RSI is a little bit above 70, preferably above 80. So you can see here, the RSI, as the point where the price was at the cycle point, the RSI was in a zone of 83. So that is, a breakout, a bullish breakout candidate. Price at the cycle point, RSI above 70, even above 80, preferably above 80. That stock has a high chance to break out and go up. That's what we have said in that video. So one more time, the title of that video was "How to Use RSI Technical Oscillator to Pinpoint Ready-Made Breakout Trading Signal." So I would like to encourage traders to watch the full length for this tutorial so they may start taking the right step to become a sharper, a technical trader. Did we have a bullish breakout here? No. Does it mean that this trading strategy is useless? No. Why? You see here, the breakout did not occur here, but it did occur here. The others are here, so we will say that this is a leading signal. Now, in order to become a sharper technical trader, remember this: one must always follow the price. Is that all, George? It's one step. So we are talking about RSI above 70, price at a cycle point, high probability that we may have a strong bullish breakout, price springing up big time. It did happen many times, and we can work with it. Here, it did not happen. So the point I'm making here, when you are using any technical trading tool, the last word, so to speak, the final decision will be made by the price. So in order to become a sharper technical trader, we follow the price. The next step to become a sharper technical trader is to use what? You know it. multiple time frame trading method. You say, oh George, I know it all. I don't want to watch this video anymore. And I say, please stay with us, please stay with us, please stay with us, please stay with us. You say, no, George, I don't want to stay, please. I say, please stay with us. Okay, so let's be serious. This is to let you breathe in and breathe out a bit, all right? Multiple time frame trading method, we allow traders to become sharper technical traders and to control the risk. So if you are here, as I told you before in that video, when the RSI is above 70, price at the cycle point, we are likely to see a high bullish breakout. We say to trader, draw the line at the cycle point, give priority to bullish signal above, and give priority to bearish signal below. That's one thing we said. Here, there was no signal above that warning line, which is at $65. No signal. Price didn't even go above it. In fact, we follow the price, and the price gives us a sell signal. Where is it? See that here? Bullish candlestick bar, followed by the bearish candlestick bar. That's a bearish engulfment. You know that candle is here? At a cycle point. So first reaction here, this candlestick bar, you see the first one here? Am I talking to myself? Let's follow it. This one. This one here was bullish, followed by bearish candlestick bar. I talked about this, in fact, those are 4 candlestick pattern last time, you see. Now here again, another bullish candlestick bar, followed by another bearish candlestick bar. So what is it telling us? It's telling us the bears are not kidding. They're challenging the bulls. Now again, we have again another bullish candlestick bar, but this one is very carefully planned because it stopped near the median line of this long one. So after this clean-cut bearish engulfment, the second one went near the median line of this one. That's where they want to sell. And if you draw the high, the low, and the median line of this one, here it is near the median line, now they showed it down. Okay? So, though, technically speaking, you may say, Joel, your trading system say that if the RSI is above 70, all right, and the price at a cycle point, we will have a bullish breakout. Where is that bullish breakout? What a useless trading setup. It's normal for traders to react that way. I'm not saying that there's anything wrong. There was no bullish breakout. Does it mean that the system is not working? No. But the point I'm making here is that we want to become a sharper technical trader that can use any technical tool. So how do we do that? We follow the price and we use a top-down trading method. We also use a warning line. That's why I say to trader always. You will see I don't say to trader buy or sell. I always say priority to bullish signal above, priority to bearish signal below. So do you think that this discussion is helping a bit? So now it's not finished yet. The breakout did take place here. Now there is a breakout here. So what has happened? Because in fact, it looks to me that there were more people willing to sell this stock at this point. So the price came to a cycle point, the first reaction, because they sold it here before. So another step to become a sharper technical trader is to pay attention to what has happened before. Use the past to predict the future. So they sold it here before, the first intention to sell again. So prior to bullish signal above, prior to bearish signal below. So they did sell it again here. But look carefully. Becoming a sharper technical trader is to keep eyes also on the price. Follow the price, use a top-down trading method, pay attention to what has happened before, and concentrate on the price. What do I mean by here? Look carefully here. As they sold it here, the price formed this low here. Anytime you see a low like this, pay attention, ask yourself, what was the low before? So here it is, there was this low before. So we compare the low. Anytime the price form a low, compare it to another low. So this one, in comparison to this one, is a higher low. So it's telling us that, okay, it's a reaction. So as long as the price stay below, stay above that, okay, green trend line, we can be ready to buy if the price start forming higher lows, higher high. So finally, you see here, so the bear who sold here are not serious bear, and then again you pull it rally up a bit. Look carefully. Again, the price denied, so price formed a higher low. So this is another low here. So you say, well, how do I know there's a low? After it turn around, como se te la escapó, next candlestick is closable. That's how we know that it's turned around. Boom, up a boom. So now again, here, price is not displaying a new lower low. So though the indication was given to us that there will be a breakout here, it did not happen here. So will you agree with me that, all right, by using a top-down trading method here, we will control the risk? Does it mean that this system is useless? No. So the system says if the price is at a cycle point and the RSI is above 70, all it said to us, it didn't say it's guaranteed that the price will go up or we will have it's a guaranteed breakout by a signal. It just said that there is a high chance that by observing the price over the time, we have noticed that most stock that are at a cycle point, when the RSI is above 70, usually they break above it. That's a good observation. So we want to work with that. But now, in order to become a sharper technical trader, we keep our eyes wide open, we follow the price, we use a top-down trading method, we check what has happened in the past, and we concentrate on the price. That's all. That's all. You keep doing that, you go and spend a lot of money buying a trading system, you develop your own trading strategy, you're doing your own thing, the price. So here it is, finally, he breaks above the cycle point, and now he retests with this long tail. And from there, our breakout that we were expecting here is now happening here. Did happen here. So a bit of patience also helps people to become a sharper technical traders. So I would say to you, if you want to become a sharper technical trader, you want to be a little bit patient. Now I will be recording a video about what patience has got to do with technical trading or something like that in the next future. So the point I'm making here, sometimes, so that's why we say to trader, wait for the candlestick bar to close. If you're on a monthly chart looking for 20 time, the monthly candlestick bar must close. Daily chart, wait for the daily candlestick bar to close. You're an hourly time frame, especially day traders using a daily chart for trading setup. You want to enter the trade, pay attention to the daily candlestick bar. Close on top of the hour, on top of the hour, on top of the hour. All right, on top of the hour, we are watching the clock. Best time for day trading, best time for swing trading, all right, and so on and so on. The clock. So this is it, all right. I've been talking to you for 12 minutes. All right. Very simple. So the breakout did not occur here, but did occur here. So it requires a bit of patience. So you say, well, I put this stock, so what I say to trader, put it on your bullish watch list. So if you are a bullish trader, like our American friend, they like to be bullish, all right? So they say, you're always telling us to sell. I'm American, I don't want to sell. All right, that is to make you laugh a bit. Okay, so some traders do not like to sell, okay? So this is their trading style. Are we criticizing them? No. Okay, so you don't want to sell, put it on your bullish watch list and just monitor it. So it did not happen here. You say, what's going on, Joe? Your system, what's going on? And then you pop up here, you say, well, in fact, Joe, you are not wrong. So now you are monitoring that candle, the first candlestick bar at the breakout. Draw the high, the low, and the median line. You know how we handle that, you remember? And now here it is, breakout or retest. Bit messy though, because after this one, people will try to buy. Bit messy here. Because you see what's happening here? You see this one, why is it like this? People were rushing to buy this one. People were rushing to buy this one. And now professionals say, no, we prefer to buy at a retest point. Sometimes you'll be shouting and say, why don't you allow it to come near this level? So sometimes other people will just place orders here. If they place too many orders here, that order will attract the price. Price will come down, fill orders. I'm not going up without filling those orders. Fill orders and then going up. So a bit of patience will allow traders to become a sharper technical traders. Let me say this to you again one more time. Becoming a more composed, a more patient trader. So you see it, you say, well, is he ready? You say, all right, leave it there. It's like you are the master. You are in control. You are not rushing like everybody else. You see people rushing, the queue jumping all over the place. But you know another door where you need to take the step. You have a plan. The crowd is there. Everybody waiting to catch the best picture of their favorite actor. But you have a plan. You know that there is a sport and no one know about it. When everybody was rushing, all you did, you take that step, you go to that stair up, you stop there, you take your picture. While everybody else is rushing. So talking about becoming a sharper technical trader, allow me to dwell on this a bit, is to stay a little bit patient. Is there a breakout? I will wait. I will wait. I will wait. It doesn't mean that you're going to miss opportunity. It doesn't mean you do not know what you are doing. You are not just, how do I say, inactive. Now, if you watch the Dragon Den, allow me to speak to you about the Dragon Den. Is that Dragon Den or the Shark Tank? All right. So this is one of my favorite program on YouTube, the Shark Tank. Mr. Mark Cuban, all right, if you watch Shark Tank, Mr. Mark Cuban is always the very patient investor. So other, okay, shark, that's the way they call them, investors, will make decision quicker than Mr. Mark Cuban. So he usually stays aside, very quiet. It's not being inactive, it's just monitoring the decision. And at the right time, Mr. Mark Cuban will pounce and take the deal. So this is the attitude I'm saying to you today. In order to become a sharper technical trader, it requires patience. It's not inactivity. It's being observing what's going on and being very patient until it's all set nicely and you take it at the right time, at the right place without missing it. So a bit of blah 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 from my side, but let's go back to what we are discussing here. So here we are, we have RSI above 70, price at the cycle point. According to the book, so to speak, we will expect a bullish breakout. Okay. Now, the question we want to ask is that we want to be sharper. So, though we know that there will be a bullish breakout, we need to be sharper because sometimes the price can go down and the people will end up losing. Or price will start going up and then we are taken out. So, we need to sharpen our technical trading. How do we do that? How do we do that? That is the question. So one way to do that, all right, is to just follow the price. So we draw the warning line, prior to bullish signal ball, and we follow the price. Another way to do that, the next step is to use a different time frame trading method. YouTube search different time frame trading method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, or YouTube search multiple time frame trading method by 24 Stock Trader or Day Pro Trader. You see videos. So use multiple time frame trading method. And then concentrate on the price. Pay attention to the low. Is it displaying high lows, high high? Is it displaying lower lows, lower high? That's why you want to check. So now you see here. Start forming, start forming. Okay? Concentrate on the price. See what has happened before. Understand what is taking place. So they sold it here. Or why are they selling here? Because they sold it here before. The first reaction is to sell here. Let's see whether they are serious sellers. Now it's confirmed here they are not selling as such. It's a reaction. Boom, up. Okay? Follow the trading drill. The setup. Is it a value trading setup? Is there a signal yet? If we see a value trading setup, but the signal is not yet ready, don't enter yet. If the signal is fire, now switch into risk control. Become a sharper technical trader. So the last thing I was dwelling on was being a very patient. Remember what I said about Mr. Mark Cuban in the Shark Tank series of video on YouTube, one of my favorite programs. Spend hours watching those videos. Very good for technical trading and also for investors. Watch it, all right? Look for it, Shark Tank, you watch it all day long. And you see Mr. Mark Cuban there, all right? So here it is. Patience, being very, very composed. It's not inactivity. Being observing what's going on, listening to what's going on, tuning into it, but keeping eyes on the price, understanding what other traders are trying to do, and at the right time, here you are, you join it. Breakout was expected here, but here it did not happen straight away. It happened later. Put it on your bullish watch list. Sometime what we have noticed that to become also another thing before we wrap it up, all right, allow me to say this. A losing trade did happen, okay? This is what I say to trader. You purchase any of our trading system, boom, something happened, ask question. You watch a video like this, you like it, you want to use it, you start using it, use a demo account, practice first. Now you are trying it, something happened, you discover something, it's going to happen. You're going to see a lot of different scenarios. You say, oh, I'm not very sure about this one. What? It's just to teach you something. The life is trying to teach you something. Note it down. So what we have noticed, another way to become a sharper technical trader is that when a losing trade do happen, just blink, 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 and stay in control. Note it down. All right. People remember more their winning trade, but remember more those who did not work as you expected it because they are showing you something. So now you wonder what's happened there. I entered the trade too early. The first 30 minutes candlestick bar did not close when New York did open or London did open. Okay. Why this week was so bad? Oh, it's the first week of the month. Yes, quite challenging to trade the first week of the month. Okay, now you discover all this over time and you are polishing in and see what's happening. So when a losing trade will happen, or you go and purchase a trading system and then boom, something, you say, wow, George, you said this, you said that, you watch the video, you say, well, what is the breakout, George? You stupid boy. After the emotion is gone, take control, you say, okay, what's going on? Put it on your bullish watch list and watch it. Be patient, watch it. All right? Understand what has happened before. All right? Why it did not work? It did not work. Losing trade will happen. Use the 5% money management risk control and take charge. Don't be emotional. Learn from the past, learn from your own mistake, and keep improving. But at the end of the day, follow the price and only the price. Will that help you to become a sharper technical trader? Draw trade line. So we can go on and on and on and on and on and on to become a sharper technical trader. Use it. So we talk about okay, the financial instrument does not go up forever. Okay, it always headed to a specific price level. So here it is. Look at this stock. Let me show you one example to become a sharper technical trader. We talked about this before. So this is it. Right from around, it's a V pattern, round bottom. Project it out. That's the target. This will help you to be price does not go up or down for no reason. If you want to become a sharper technical trader, you want to know where is the price going. If you do not, how are you going to control it? Are you going to understand what's going on? So for this stock as a breakable with that cycle point, the target is here. That's why it did stop quite close to it. Yes or no? Professionals know that. And they know that there was a midpoint target here. And as the price came first time there was a reaction. So where are we now? Where are we going? We are now above the midpoint target. If you continue to go up, you try to seek again that level. You see? So this is all this using market stable data. Price does not go up or down for no reason. It's always headed to a specific target level. Can you see that here? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Right? It's there. The target is there. And it's going on all the time. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to become a sharper technical trader. A bit of shake you up a bit, touching few things that can annoy traders sometimes. Let me say, Joe, who are you to tell me that this? Okay, fine. All right, we disagree with each other for the first time. That's okay. So we want to work on it and become a sharper technical trader. A trading method may look like useless one day, but we need to take control, and we may see it happening another day. Patience will help us to become a sharper technical trader. All right, using price action, using the profit target will help us to become a technical trader. All right, following the price, the number one indicator, concentrating on the price itself, using a top-down trading method will help us to become a sharper, technical trader. If you have any question or suggestion, this is the time to put in a comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you think that this video has been useful to you or can help you to become a sharper technical trader, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that, George, this is another poor performance, repeating yourself all the time, saying the same thing non-stop, blah, 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 mark it down. And that will put us under pressure to improve our next recording. If you think this is an essential tutorial, my friend, feel free to share it on Google Plus, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. We are the GSTW24 trader, talking about how to become a sharper technical trader. Thank you for watching, and happy trading to you.